everyone, welcome back to my channel and yet another huge random and a mixed bag haul wherein you'll be seeing things which I happen to pick up from Nykaa, Amazon, Facebook. I think I picked a few things from Miniso as well, and a lot happened from various different websites. Everything will be linked and listed in my description. If you want to grab any of the products, if I happen to miss out anything, feel free to ask through your comments. And without any further ado, let's start the haul. So before I start showing you the first product, it is extremely hot and Delhi is burning to a level where I cannot even describe how hot it is. And if I happen to look a little messy and something just goes a little weird in me, ignore all that and just concentrate on some amazing products I'm going to show you, because I am trying my level best not to look the messed up of mine, because I am an extreme oily skin and a sweaty skin, and some things are just not in my hands because fan is off and AC can also not run while I'm filming, because I really don't want to give you a disturbing video. The first up, I did happen to make a repurchase and restock on the probiotic I take from the brand Goodbug. So I happened to restock on the 3-month pack. So I always go for 3 months instead of 1 month or 2 months. And I happen to get like 3 boxes here. So I just get away with the box first and then talk a little bit about the product. But I have already reviewed this product onto my channel, so do check out the review in detail. So this is the metabolic lean which I happen to take every single day in the morning, the first thing. Now there is like a lot of confusion how to take this product. Take 200 ml of water, or like a whiskey glass you have or a normal glass you have, वो पानी ले लो उसमें and थोड़ा सा lukewarm भी नहीं, like a 10-second micro you do, and then put this 1 sachet, mix it and drink it. That's how you take it. Don't take it directly in your mouth. It doesn't do anything, I feel so. So put it in the water and then take it. It's very good for weight management. So detailed review देख लो, because अगर मैं सब detail में बताऊंगी तो वीडियो काफ़ी लंबी हो जाएगी. Now let's move on to some Nykaa stuff also. I picked up, not the Nykaa stuff, but things I picked up from Nykaa was the Face Shop foot peeling mask. The only reason I picked up this one because in summer weather my feet are the worst. They have a lot of dead skin and cracks happening. So what I do basically, मैं 2 महीने में एक बार ये कर लेती हूँ. इससे क्या होता है, सारी dead skin भी बाहर आ जाती है and I tend to get a better feet. So I did this like a month back and I restocked so that I can do it again after a month. So for those reasons I picked up this one. Very easy use product है. आप इसको, इसमें 2 socks आते हैं, थोड़े प्लास्टिक वाले and वो जो हम शीट मास्क लगाते हैं ना उस मटेरियल में. So what you do, you put your feet in that, you give a solution, you put it, dip it for 90 minutes, at max 90 का 100 minutes कर सकते हो आप, and then you wash up your feet with water and then you go leave it for 6 to 7 days. You will start the peeling. The skin will start peeling by itself. You don't have to peel with your hands physically. वो अपने आप peel हो जाता है and you have like more of a clear feet and a good feet. You feel really happy about your feet. So yes, that is why I picked up this one, because this is something well done and I trust this product because I've been using from years and years. Quickly moving into this video, next up I happened to pick up a lot of moisturizers by Nykaa itself. The Nykaa Skin RX range. So let me just pick up all the boxes. So all of the boxes are empty now. So I picked up the Deep Nourishing Ceramide Complex Day Moisturizer for all skin type. Then I picked up the Nykaa Skin RX Illuminate Plus Vitamin C. Now I don't use vitamin C into my skincare routine, so I just took a complete risk here. Let me use it and I'll let you know how I feel about it. Next up I happen to pick up the Hydra X Hyaluronic Acid Normal to Dry Skin, because I do feel a lot drier also in between. And next up I happen to pick up the Nykaa Skin RX Spot Corrector Day Moisturizer for dry skin. So I picked up the 4 moisturizers. Let me get away with the boxes and let me just get into the jars. You'll see all the close-ups, so do not worry. So this is how they came. They were priced at $3.99. All of them are for $3.99 each. 50 ml of product you get in here, and the best part is I picked up all of these in 50% discount. So I had amazing gala time when I was picking up these, because I happened to pick up all of these like for 1,000 something, and it was the best purchase. So when I picked up these moisturizers, let me just keep them aside or else they will start to fall. So I picked so I got a free product as well. Is the Nykaa Skin RX Hydro X 2% hyaluronic acid, which I have still not opened because I'm not sure of using this serum. जब भी मैं use करूँगी I will let you know, but it is still packed because I am not a very hyaluronic acid person. I don't like to put too much of hyaluronic acid, and like a serum I like to keep myself away because I'm an extreme oily and sweaty skin. So why trouble my skin more? So I'm not opening it for now. It was a free product, so I'm happy. Thank you Nykaa, कुछ अच्छा आपने भेजा. And next I got another free product, the moisturizer in a mini format. I picked up the big size. I got a small one also. So ये बहुत अच्छा रहता है. I generally carry small size moisturizer or hand cream in my handbag. So this is definitely going into my handbag. So yes, free product. Nykaa definitely has improved and been adding good products. और ये कोई पुराना प्रोडक्ट नहीं है, इसकी एक्सपायरी 2026 तक की है. So yes, thank you Nykaa for sending some amazing free and complimentary products. Moving on in this video, next up I happened to pick up the Matrix Opticare Smooth Straight Shampoo. I picked up this time a little smaller size. Reason being, कभी कभी मुझे ना urgently travel भी करना पड़ता है. Travel as in a day, 2 day. तो ऐसी साइज का शैम्पू इज बेटर टू कैरी विद बिकॉज आई यूज टू बाय द बिग वन दैट इज नॉट ईजी टू ट्रैवल विद. सो आई पिक्ड अप दिस शैम्पू अगेन. सो इट्स अ कंप्लीट रीपर्चेज. आई एंजॉय दिस शैम्पू. दिस डेफिनेटली एड्स अप अ नाइस स्मूथनेस एंड मेरा हेयर फॉल काफ़ी कंट्रोल में है. सो येस, दिस शैम्पू इज अगेन समथिंग आई थोरली enjoy. Next up I happened to pick up something from Nykaa store. I did not buy this from Nykaa's website. Reason being, I think before some day we went to Ambience Mall, and generally I don't enter Nykaa store because I know मैं जाऊँगी तो मैं कुछ ना कुछ लेके आऊँगी. But that day I just went. Like my son was like, "Mama, go to Nykaa store." So I was like, wow. बच्चे ने मतलब मन की बात बोल दी हो. So my husband was like, go to the store, check out if you like something. So I picked up something which I really wanted to try once. गई तो मैं किसी और प्रोडक्ट के लिए थी बट मैं ले गई कुछ और आई. And this also was onto my wish list, but I never knew that I will buy it at full MRP price. I've already reviewed this product. Is the Huda Beauty Faux Filler Lip Gloss. OMG product है ये. And I picked up the shade Posh ही बोलेंगे इसे. This is how the product is. I've already used this much. This is like always there with me. The best part about this product is like it is like super glossy, super filling, super fuller lips you'll get with this. And I'll tell you in my review also, I said it's not a must buy. I still say it's not a must buy because I do feel sometimes you just don't want to put something like this onto your lips all the time. But I have a different way to use it, so I like it. And I think I'm going to buy another shade, not just me another shade. I am confused on the shade called Foxy. I think I'm going to like it, but there is another shade called Bombshell. So I'm a little confused. Recommend me if you have tried this lip gloss by Huda Beauty, but this is like a wow purchase I did because I never imagined myself wearing it so often, but I am for some reason wearing it a lot in summers also. So yes, a different purchase altogether, but I'm happy and I am interested in more Huda products. So Huda has already launched the Creme eyeshadow palette on the website. Let me know if you want me to grab that because जब वो launch हुआ था I was eagerly waiting for it to come, but by the time it reached India, now the craving has reduced like by 50%. So I'm still contemplating should I get it or should I not get it. So if you feel so, do help me to decide should I get it or not. Moving on to another interesting product, a complete repurchase, and you have already seen me showing this product almost in every single haul of mine. And for some reason, I end up purchasing every time, like every single month I've been buying this product now, is the Vaseline Gluta-Hya Dewy Radiance Serum and Lotion. Already using one, already have a backup. This is like a holy grail moisturizer. The body lotion I would say for the body. I have seen such remarkable improvement and changes into my skin. The appearance, the dryness has gone so much and my skin looks the best now. So for those reasons I'm going back to this one again and again. Again, the product is being reviewed onto my YouTube channel, so do check it out whenever you are free with this one. So those were the only things which I happened to pick up from Nykaa. Now let's jump on to some products which I happened to pick up from their brand website itself. So some of you actually recommended me and asked me to try some products from Specta Cosmetic, but I'll tell you I just went ahead and picked up a lipstick by them, and I picked up the two shades by Specta, and the two shades I picked up was Street Smart and Troublemaker. I've already worn both of the shades and I repacked them just so that I can show you everything in the haul. The only one thing, the one thing which I noticed in both of the lipstick was the packaging. The outer body in both the lipsticks are pretty different. So you see this one is plain and this one has this rough crystal appearance happening. So this is like a different packaging. Help me if something is different about it, but they look very different. Now let's get into the lipstick quickly. So I did happen to try both of the shades. The one I tried was the Street Smart shade. Let me give you a demo. So this is how the shade Street Smart looks like. Amazing shade, amazing formula also. And the next shade I tried was Troublemaker. Both are different from each other. You see Troublemaker. So these are the two shades which are more of a universal shades. They don't fall into the category. This one can still fall into category of nude, but this is definitely one of those universal shades, can be worn by every Indian skin tone. So yes, formula is also different. There is no any irritating fragrance to it. Basic lipstick eye fragrance hai, but it will not be nauseating. It just vanishes away. So again, very beautiful formula. I will talk about them in a different video, but these are the two lipsticks I happened to pick up from Specta. Let's move on to some M Caffeine happened. So I'm obsessed with M Caffeine. So I picked up like 4 products from M Caffeine. One was a complete repurchase. So first let's talk about the 2 products which are new. The M Caffeine Sun Fix D10 and Oil Control Coffee Sunscreen with 54 plus. Again, why did I buy it? However, how many ever sunscreens I've tried by M Caffeine, all of them are amazing. I've tried these also. So yes. And the next one I picked up was the Ultralight 1% Hyaluronic Acid Matcha Tea Sunscreen. Again, 50 PA4 plus. Both of the sunscreens are beautiful, but let me use it more because I've just used it like twice just to know the texture of the product, but they are really good. And I got them in a very good discount and a good offer. So there was some offer wherein you had to pay around 1,100 and you could grab like 4 different products. So yes, in that good offer I picked up the product. And the next product which I happened to pick up from M Caffeine was this one, which I'm already using, is the M Caffeine 1% Salicylic Acid, Succinic Acid, Matcha Tea, Acne Arrest Spot Corrector. I've reviewed this product. Check out the complete review on 6 of the M Caffeine products I've tried in the past. And I will soon be doing a one compilation video of all of the products I've tried from M Caffeine. So yes, again, a beautiful product which I have thoroughly enjoyed, and this is my 3rd purchase. 3rd. ये तो मुझे लगता है घर के हर कोने में होना चाहिए. So if you are someone who has like an acne or a pimple issue, grab something like this. This really works magically. So yes, this is something which every girl should own, and it is pretty affordable. And the product which the last product which I happened to pick up from M Caffeine was this M Caffeine Coconut Cookie Body Scrub. If you remember watching my anti-haul video, I did happen to talk about this product being into my wish list and I wanted to get the blueberry flavor. It got sold out, so I picked up the coconut one, and I mentioned this also that I am going to pick up the coconut later, but this ye mera first one gaya. But I'll tell you, it smells amazing. So if you love coconut scent and coconut body washes and all that, you will definitely enjoy this one. मैंने इसे अभी तक यूज़ तो नहीं किया, बट इसे खोलते ही एक अच्छी सी एरोमेटिक खुशबू आती है कोकोनट की. इट्स वेरी सटल, वेरी calming. So I know I'm going to enjoy my bath with this one, and it is again pretty affordable. So M Caffeine की वेबसाइट को चेक करो. You will definitely grab, or you will get a lot of interesting products in a very affordable pricing and a good offer. They give you good offers. So do check out their website. So I do pick up a lot of my products from Myntra as well. So Myntra पे एक बहुत अच्छा ऑफर चल रहा था जिसमें मुझे Lakme के products काफ़ी affordable मिल गए थे, and I've already reviewed all of these 3 products onto my channel. If you are not following me, I'll just give you a little input how I do my videos. So generally I buy the products, I start using them, and मेरे जो haul videos होते हैं मेरे reviews के बाद आते हैं mostly, because it takes a lot of time because I don't get a lot of things together. So jab basket is like full and then I feel like okay, now I should film a haul video, then I do it. So reviews are never stopped, and I review my products only after using the product for at least 1.5 months, nothing less than that. So yes, talking about these 3 products also, since a whole world reviewed it very quickly, I was one of the last people to review it. Reason being, I do like to use the product as much as I can and give you my like real experience and real review, not something someone else said. So do check out the review before you pick up these sticks. Now I picked up all the 3 sticks. So मैंने slowly खरीदा था. First I picked up the blush, then I picked up the highlighter, and blush and the foundation I picked up first, and then I bought the highlighter. So all the 3 products are right here. I've been constantly wearing them, reviewed onto my channel. This is how the sticks look. Pretty different highlighter packaging because बाकी तो आप confuse हो जाते हो कि कौन सा है, because they are not color coordinated. So pretty confusing packaging. Watch the review to know a little more. So quickly talking about the blush here. So I picked up the shade Sweet Cheeks. I really like the packaging on the product, at least the inner packaging, and I really like the shade as well. Giving you a quick swatch. So it looks very bubble pink here. स्किन पे बहुत अच्छे से ब्लेंड हो जाता है, बहुत अच्छा दिखता है. And this is one of the uniquest shade. Also I have it in my vanity because I was like, I don't want to buy the usual shades which everyone buys, and I also have like a million of them. So I did pick up a little different shade, very much out of my comfort zone, but जब स्किन पे लगता है आपकी वार्मथ के साथ बहुत अच्छा शेड दिखता है ये. So yes, I've done a complete dedicated review on all of these sticks. Do check out the review to know a little more about them before you pick, because they are priced at $8.99 each. And that's all I had in makeup and skincare and whatnot happened from various different websites. Now let's move on to some random stuff which I happened to pick up from Miniso and Facebook page. So let's talk about some Miniso stuff. So I happened to pick up this Miniso Reed diffuser. Now I do use the diffusers from Miniso. They are firstly affordable. एक diffuser की life maximum 3 हफ्ते से 1 महीना ही होती है, उससे ज़्यादा नहीं होती. क्या किसी ब्रांड का लगा लो. तो मुझे ज़्यादा 2000-4000 के डिफ्यूज़र में कोई इंटरेस्ट नहीं है. मिनीसो वाले ले लो, बहुत अच्छे हैं, एंड दे आर वेरी गुड फॉर गिफ्टिंग ऑप्शन. So the one I am holding is priced at 450 rupees, and it's a beautiful one. I have already used one of this, so I picked up 2. I picked up 4 actually, though I've already gifted 2, and this is really nice. So this is in the fragrance Papyrus, and it gives you more of a natural vibe. बहुत ही अच्छा सा environment रहता है रूम में. So generally put this in my bedroom. So for those reasons I just picked up, like same ही ले लिए थे मैंने, because I sniffed this in the Miniso showroom, and then I was like यही लेना है. Next up I happen to pick up the Miniso candles. If you have been watching me, you know, if अगर मैं affordable category में कोई candles suggest करती हूँ वो Miniso के ही हैं, and Miniso ने भी अपने प्राइस बढ़ा दिए हैं. This is for 230 rupees. Earlier I used to get them for 190 rupees, but थोड़ी पैकेजिंग भी चेंज हुई है यहाँ पे. So this is the fragrance floral bouquet, and ये कुछ ज़्यादा ही फ्लावरी है, बट ज़्यादा nauseating नहीं है. आपको बहुत अच्छा और subtle और बहुत gentle feeling आएगी घर में. Again, very good gifting option. So जब भी आप Miniso जाओ तो ये पक्का चेकआउट करना. Next up is something which I generally do with Miniso, is pick up a micellar water wipe or a makeup removing wipe. This time I picked up the Ocean One Skin Clarity Makeup Removing Wipe. 35 मिल जाते हैं, and the cost of this is 150 rupees. So yes, necessity. I do a lot of lip swatches, and I do use wipes only to do my lip swatches because they are easy and convenient to use. Because जब आप 10 से 15 swatches करते हो तो आपको बहुत जल्दी लिपस्टिक निकालनी होती है, and you are wearing a full face makeup, तो wipe is more convenient. So for those reasons I happen to pick up wipes. Next up I happen to pick up these you can call them as car fresheners, you can call them as room fresheners, but they can be good gifting options as well, is the Miniso air fresheners. So I picked up them for my car as well as my house. You can put them in the bathroom as well. अच्छी बात बताओ इनकी क्या है, ये लॉन्ग लास्टिंग वाले हैं और ये बहुत ज़्यादा दिन रहते हैं, बिकॉज दे हैव दीज वाटर मॉलिक्यूल्स, इनको क्या बोलते हैं, ऑर्बीज, एंड यू कैन पुट एडिशनल ड्रिंकिंग वाटर इसमें तो भी फ्रेग्रेंस मेंटेन रहती है. तो ये मैंने पहले भी यूज़ किया है. पैकेजिंग थोड़ी चेंज हो गई है, बट दीज आर रियली नाइस. ऐसे ही ना एक और ब्रांड में एम्बी प्योर में भी मिलते हैं, बट आई वुड हाईली रिकमेंड यू गेट दीज वंस. they will sustain for easily 6 months. And इनकी cost है 170 rupees each. So 170 is like worth every penny I feel, and you can even gift them to your friends जिनके पास अच्छी अच्छी गाड़ियाँ हैं, उसमें अच्छी खुशबू भी आए, why not? So moving forward in this video, अगर आप मिनीसो नहीं गए हो और आप जाओ फ्यूचर में तो आपको बहुत सारी इंटरेस्टिंग चीज़ें दिखेंगी, आपको वो चीज़ें भी दिखेंगी जिनके बारे में आपने सोचा भी नहीं होगा, और आपको लगेगा वाओ ऐसी चीज़ें भी एग्जिस्ट करती हैं. तो if you have the budget, if you feel you are going to use it, then only pick it up, because Miniso कभी कभी overbuy भी करा देता है. Now talking about the next product is something I'm so happy that I could get in a good quality and a better pricing. This costed me 150 rupees, the paper cutter. Now इसकी खास बात ये है कि इसमें refills भी मिले हुए हैं, और पेपर कटर्स तो मुझे अलग अलग से पेपर कटर्स नहीं खरीदने पड़ते, बिकॉज मैं लोकल मार्केट से जो खरीदती हूँ ना, वो मतलब पेपर काटते वो एक ही दिन में ही खराब हो जाता है कभी कभी, और कभी कभी आप जब वो रह भी जाए ना, अगर आप रख दो तो थोड़ी देर में उसमें रस्ट लग जाता है और वो खराब हो जाता है. सो फॉर दोज रीजंस आई पिक्ड अप दिस वन, बिकॉज मुझे पेपर कटर की जरूरत पड़ती है, बिकॉज हमारे पास कोरियर बॉक्सेस बहुत आते हैं और ये बहुत काम आता है, और 150 में तो काफ़ी अच्छी डील थी, तो दैट इज़ वाई आई पिक्ड अप फ्रॉम मिनीसो. मिनीसो में ऐसी बहुत काम की चीज़ें आपको मिलेंगी विद अ वेरी गुड क्वालिटी एंड अ गुड अफोर्डेबल प्राइसिंग. नाउ लेट्स मूव ऑन टू सम मोर इंटरेस्टिंग स्टफ. So these are like these small diaries I picked up from Miniso for my husband, so I'm not using them, he is using them. So Miniso में आपको बहुत अच्छा stationery भी मिलता है, but I do feel they get a little expensive compared to any stationery you buy from any random store. So ये डायरी मिली थी 60 rupees की. They are ruled ones. अगर आपको छोटी पॉकेट डायरीज चाहिए जिनमें आप छोटे मोटे नोट्स बना सको, for those reasons I picked up, and he is already using 2 of the diaries, so I picked up 4 of these. So he has already finished one, he is already on to the second one, and now we have 2 more. एंड काफ़ी अच्छे वेरिएंट्स आए हुए, तो नेक्स्ट टाइम मैं जाऊँगी तो मैं और लेके आऊँगी, बिकॉज ये यूज़फुल है हमारे घर में, वो यूज़ हो रही हैं. एंड नेक्स्ट अप इज एन इम्पल्स परचेज बाय माई सन. सिंस आई वाज पिकिंग डायरीज फॉर माई हस्बैंड, सो माई सन वाज लाइक व्हाई आर यू नॉट पिकिंग अप समथिंग फॉर मी. सो आई वाज लाइक ओके लेट मी जस्ट गेट समथिंग. सो ही पिक्ड अप दिस. वो भूल गया इस बारे में, सो आई जस्ट केप्ट दिस डायरी असाइड. दिस कॉस्टेड मी 100 रुपीज़. ये थोड़ा मुझे लगा थोड़ा वेस्ट परचेज हो गया. Next up, let me show you something which I picked up from Facebook page. And अगर आप घरेलू औरत हैं, अगर आपको घर की चीज़ों में इंटरेस्ट है, then keep on watching. So apart from makeup and skincare and other random stuff, I am a big sucker, I would say, for home items which are multifunctional, multi-use, easy to carry, travel with, light in weight, good quality and affordability is like the must. Number 1 affordability होनी चाहिए, बाकी सब नीचे आ जाते हैं उसके. And I have discovered some interesting pages, so I buy from them only. So now I have picked up. तो लास्ट को आपने मेरी देखी कि नहीं देखी? अगर नहीं देखी तो उसे देख लो, बिकॉज अगर आपके बच्चे हैं, आपके हस्बैंड हैं, ऑफिस जाते हैं, आपको कोई भी चीज़ चाहिए, आपको इस वीडियो में बहुत सी अच्छी चीज़ें देखने को मिलेंगी. डू चेक आउट माई लास्ट हॉल वीडियो. Now let's move on to the product. So I picked up this jug. You must be thinking, did she really talked about the jug? No, but this is not the usual jug, I would say. So ये ऐसे ही आया मुझे. Now the best part is generally आपके सारे jugs का lid कैसे खुलता है? वैसे निकालोगे और वो lid खुल जाएगा. No, here this jug you can actually travel when you're picnic पे जा रहे हो, ऐसे ही जा रहे हो कहीं, तो आप इसको ऐसे खोलते हो. So water does not leak, it does not open by itself. That is the art of it. And then with this jug I got like 4 glasses, and the cost of this jug was only 650 rupees. Yes, you heard me right, 650 rupees. And it's not some cheap plastic quality jug, it's a very sturdy nice quality jug. And ये ऊपर से ऐसे खुलता है और इसमें आप पानी निकाल सकते हो. और पानी ऐसा नहीं है कि वो इतना ओपन है कि स्पिलेज हो जाएगा, नहीं स्पिलेज नहीं होगा, बहुत अकॉर्डिंगली निकलेगा पानी, और ये ऐसे बंद हो जाता है. सो बहुत ही अच्छा जगह है ये. तो अगर आप मेरी ही तरह हो जिसको बहुत अच्छी अच्छी चीज़ों में इंटरेस्ट है, अगर आपको ये लेना है तो आई विल लीव द फेसबुक पेज डाउन बिलो, एंड इफ आई फॉरगेट फील फ्री टू आस्क. ओके, नेक्स्ट अप आई पिक्ड अप. सो लास्ट वाले हॉल वीडियो में मैंने आपको कुछ स्टेशनरी आइटम्स दिखाए थे, वो मैंने और 3-4 लिए हैं, तो वो मैं नहीं दिखा रही इस वीडियो में. एंड नेक्स्ट अप आई पिक्ड अप अ सिपर बॉटल फॉर माई सन. अगेन ये फर्स्ट क्राई पे बहुत महंगे हैं. मैंने ये 480 रुपीज़ या 450 रुपीज़ में लिया है. फर्स्ट क्राई पे यही बॉटल्स आर नॉट लेस देन 699 रुपीज़ एंड अबव. एंड इसकी खास बात ये है कि अगर आपके पास बच्चा है जो 6 साल का भी है और आप बाहर घूमने जाते हो, आपको पानी की बॉटल चाहिए, तो फॉर दोज पर्पस आई पिक्ड अप दिस वन। खास बात ये है कि यू प्रेस इट, ये उल्टा खुलती है, ठीक है, सिपर भी है, ठीक है, आप बंद कर दो, देन यू हैव अ लॉकिंग सिस्टम हियर, सो यू लॉक इट। अब आप इसे दबाओगे तो नहीं खुलेगी और पानी लीक भी नहीं करेगा। तो यस, सो दैट इज व्हाई आई पिक्ड अप, एंड दिस इज 680 ml, काफ़ी पानी आता है इसमें। सो फॉर दोज रीजंस आई पिक्ड अप फॉर माई सन, एंड इवन एडल्ट्स कैन यूज इट, हु सेड कि ये सिर्फ हम बच्चों के लिए बना है। सो द बॉटल इज रियली गुड क्वालिटी, एंड जो मैंने आपको दोनों प्रोडक्ट्स दिखाए ना वो उनके बॉक्सेस में आते हैं। द वन थिंग विच आई रियलाइज व्हेन आई गॉट दिस प्रोडक्ट्स दैट दीज आर वेरी गुड गिफ्टिंग ऑप्शंस ऑल्सो। जैसे कि बच्चों का बर्थडे हो गया, आप किसी के घर भी जा रहे हो, अच्छी चीज़ें दो। वाई डू यू हैव टू गिव सम रैंडम स्टफ एंड अननेसेसरी थिंग? बाय समथिंग और गिव देम समथिंग विच इज़ लाइक यूजफुल टू देम एंड इट इज़ लाइक मोर रिकग्नाइज्ड, एंड वो आपको हमेशा याद करे कि अच्छा ये अंजना ने दिया था। Okay, let's move on to the last thing, and something was gifted to me, and the place from where I pick up this, like all of my tiffins, bottles and random stuff, the lady actually gifted me this as a complimentary gift. She gave me a jade roller, a facial roller, not a jade roller, facial roller and a gua sha. So earlier I used to use the jade roller, which I stopped using it. Now I will go back to this again. So this was like a complimentary gift. She doesn't give complimentary gifts aise, but my purchase was very big. I did not show you a lot of things which I happened to pick up last time as well, because मैंने repetitive purchases किए. So yes, you can definitely check out the Facebook page. She's amazing, very competitive, and I'm really loving the purchases I did because they are really high in quality and affordable. And then you discovered a bunch of interesting products from makeup, skincare, lipsticks, some random household stuff, some gifting items, things for kids. So everything will be linked and listed in my description. Some things I may not be able to find a link. You have to go to the store, but otherwise most of the links I will be able to provide, so do check my description. If you really loved watching today's video, consider giving a thumbs up, and do consider watching my last 2 haul videos also, because therein also I showed a bunch of interesting things which you don't want to miss out. Consider following me on my Instagram @manzinggeek5. Subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't already. I will see you in another interesting video. Till then, you take care and ta-da!